First of all, if you want to have the same layout in OpenShot, you have to navigate to View, Views, and then select Simple View. Next, I'm going to add 2 videos to project files. Just drag and drop them like this. And so I have here my background video and green screen video. So first I'm going to take the background video and drag and drop the video to track 1. And next I'm going to add this green screen video to track 2. Okay, let's expand this view. So this is the green screen video, and I want to remove this green screen so that I can see my background video. And to do that, I am going to Effects, and here we need to find an effect called Chroma Key. Now drag and drop this Chroma Key effect to green screen video in track 2, and then click on this little letter C. And now here we have Chroma Key settings. So first what we have to do is here under Key Color, double click on this black window, select Pick Screen Color, and then on this preview window just select the green color like this, then hit OK. And there you go, the green screen has now been removed. The only problem here is that we are still left with a bit of green outline here. And to adjust this, we have to go here back to Chroma Key settings and increase this threshold slider. So just move the slider up like this. And as you can see now, the green outline is disappearing. However, if you notice that once you slide up this threshold, the green outline is still visible, what you can do is double click on threshold value and manually type in the figure, let's say 250. Click OK. And then, as you can see, it increased the threshold even further. And now the green outline is barely visible, it's gone. So just make sure you don't overdo this threshold value, because I'm pretty sure if I do like 1000, yeah, it completely removes the whole video. I think, yeah, the higher the value, the more damage it does to your green screen video. So just stick to a sensible number that you see that the outline is gone, but the green screen video is not affected and is not losing any pixels. And that's it, guys. So this is how you remove green screen in OpenShot, simple and easy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.